Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding platform and constraints. This defines everything else. Install Unity or Unreal plus OpenXR and update GPU drivers so performance is predictable. Acquire the headset and controllers now, because testing as you build saves time. Once done, create a minimal scene with a camera rig and basic controller input so you can iterate. Make sure to enable developer mode on the headset and set accurate IPD and refresh rate options. This prevents later calibration issues. You now implement core systems while thinking in frames per second. Optimize early. Create an input abstraction layer so gameplay works across devices, and implement single-pass stereo rendering when available to cut GPU cost. Once interactive, add comfort options, vignette, teleport, adjustable snap versus smooth turning, because user tolerance varies. Make sure to profile scenes with a GPU and CPU profiler, reduce draw calls, use LODs, and test with realistic assets so performance match. You finish by polishing interactions and preparing the build pipeline. Add spatial audio, reliable haptics, and persistent settings so sessions resume cleanly. Create signed builds and test store packaging on target devices, and run systematic QA with checklists for comfort, latency, and input mapping. If tracking drifts, recalibrate immediately. Recenter the play area, check base station or camera placement, and confirm lighting and reflective surfaces. If issues persist, reproduce on another device to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.